Great. What we can also do is let's go back into our backstage onto print. And there's various other options we can do. We can set this to a specific printer that we have, or Microsoft Print to PDF. We can also have settings whereby we can say let's print the active sheets. Click on the drop down. We can print an entire workbook. So if there was multiple sheets in our workbook, it will print all the sheets. We can even just print a selection. So let's just add another sheet, it will print whatever's on the sheet. However, if I only select certain information, I go to File, I go to Print, and then I set it to only print a certain selection and will only print the data that has been selected. Let's select all of it again. You can even set it to, maybe we got 7 pages here, maybe we can set this from page 3 to page 5 if we only want to print a certain amount of data. Let's just delete that quickly. From there we can also go to collated, and we can go uncollated. We can do a portrait or a landscape orientation when we print. We can set our paper size. Normally we'll set A4. Then we can also from here set our margins to normal, to wide, to narrow. Just be very careful with this, okay, as most printers differ from printer to printer, and as printers differ, changing sometimes too much of these settings, especially on the margins here, might change what is printed on the document and how it looks when the document actually prints. So just be very careful when you are playing with it. You know, the rule is simply test. Look at the print preview, is it working, then set it. But remember, you might send it to somebody else's computer which has got an entire different printer, and the settings might just. So normally I just leave everything to normal and I don't try to play around with this information a lot.